Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking lesson to practice oral expression. We will practice what you learned in earlier lessons: numbers 20 to 30, numbers 20 to 100, tens, and how much and how many. We will do it with 3 exercises.
Great, Emma. I am ready to speak and repeat.
First, shadowing helps you listen carefully and repeat with natural rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read a short text clearly and confidently. Finally, describe the picture helps you use simple sentences to talk about what you see.
That sounds clear. I like starting with short phrases.
Perfect. Let us begin with shadowing. Shadowing. In this activity, listen and repeat after me. Keep the phrases short and natural.
Okay. I will listen first and then repeat.
Listen and repeat. I have 20 apples. There are 30 oranges. How many pens are there? There are 21 pens. How much is the juice? The juice is 40 cents. How many cups do you need? I need 22 cups. How much water do we have? We have some water. The bag is 50 cents. I see 25 books. How many students are here? There are 60 students. Speak slowly and clearly. Now it is your turn. Read aloud. Good work with shadowing. Now we will do read aloud. Nexo will read the text first, and then you can pause the video and read it slowly.
I am ready, Emma. I will read aloud. Today I go to a small shop with my sister. We need fruit and water for a picnic. The apples are 20 cents each, and the bananas are 30 cents. I ask the seller, how much is the water? My sister asks, how many apples do we need? We buy 20 grapes and 1 bottle of water.
Well done, Nexo. You did it very well.
Thank you. The text was short and useful.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Great job. Now look at the picture and describe what you see. Try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied.
I will try. I can use simple sentences.
Good. Nexo will try first, and after that, it will be your turn.
The picture shows a small market table in a sunny classroom. There are 20 apples in a basket, 30 oranges in a box, and 40 small cups on the table. 2 students look at the prices. One card says 50 cents for juice, and another says 60 cents for water. A girl asks, how much is the juice? A boy asks, how many oranges are in the box?
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture your way. Try to use the words shown.
I think short sentences make it easier.
Exactly. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. 20. There are 20 apples. 30. There are 30 oranges. Now you pause and speak little by little. You will do it better.